Hello everyone. So today's LeetCode challenge is pseudo-palindrome path in binary tree. I tried to explain the solution that LeetCode provides us. I find it bit tricky to understand, but let's see how it goes. So what is our task? We have given with a binary tree, and we have to find the number of paths. There are palindromes. Okay, so what is palindrome? Palindrome is a sequence of word or number which reads same as a forward as a backward. So here you can see in example number 1. So there is a one edge 2 3 3, and another edge is 2 3 1. So the 2 3 3 is a palindrome because we can read 3 2 3 same as 3 2 3. Okay, and another one is 2 1 1. So this is also a palindrome because we can read 1 2 1 as a 1 2 1. So that's a common thing, but you cannot rearrange 3 to 1 and read it same as 2 1 1. Okay, so uh, here is a code. Let's try to break down it what they are doing in a code. So first of all, they declare a counter, and our root is 2 3 1 3 1 null and 1. So So up so after that, what they do, they create a stack and give the value of root and 0 to it, and 0 is our path. So they take a 0 as a path. So our initial path is 0. We can convert it in 8-digit binary. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so our path is 0. Now what they do, they create a while loop and give the value of stack. So what is our first value of stack? So our current node. So our current node is 2. Our path is, as we know, it's 0. Now it check if there is a node. Yes, there is a node. So what is our previous path was 0 0, and what is one left shift node value is equal to 1 left shift 3 digit. It's equal to 0. Sorry, our node value is 2, so 1 left shift 2 digit. So what we do, so it will become 50100 because we put a 1 and left shift it by 2 bits. So our 1 left shift 2 will value is this. Now we perform XOR between this value and path, same as this path. So 50100, that will be our output path, next path. Now it check if there is a no left value or right value, but we have a left value. So what is our left value? Left node. Our left node is now 2. So our left node is 3. So our left node is 3. So our 1 left shift node 3 becomes 40100. Means it pushed the 1 by 3 bits. So now what will be our new path? Our new path will be path. Now XOR between this value and this value. So what will be XOR? XOR will be 401100. So this will be our new path. Now it's check again if there is a no left or right value, but we have another 3 in our left side. So now what will be our new node again? Our new node will be 3, and our 1 left shift node value will be this value again. So 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3. Now we again perform XOR between this value and our previous path value. So our previous path value is this, and our 1 left shift node value is this. So if we perform XOR, it reduce 1 because 1 XOR 1 is 0. So our new path will be 50100. After that, we don't have any further left child or right child. So what we do, we jump into the if loop. Now there is another condition, path and bracket path minus 1. So there is another condition we have to check. So what is our path? Our path is this. Now what is our path minus 1? We reduce, we subtract 1 from this path, our output will be this. So now we perform AND between path and path minus 1, and the output result will be 0, because you can see the AND operation of 1 and 0 gives us 0. So our condition comes true and our counter increase. COU enter equal to 1. As same we go for a 231 and 211. In 231, it doesn't. In 231, it never fell for this condition because there is always an output. As same, this code check for the every possible path and compare, and with the help of XOR and AND gate, it output us the count of the palindrome that are available in our tree. Thank you for watching. See you soon.